Okay, so now that we've adjusted the pattern for our review paths and also for our default path, let's scroll down and click Save Configuration. If we exit out of this and look at our review page, you'll see that the URL hasn't changed at all. That's because when we change the pattern in Path Auto, it only affects content that gets created from here on out. So we need to run a bulk update in order to change the paths of the content that we've created up until this point. Let's go ahead and jump to Path Auto by using Coffee. I typed Alt-D, and if we type Path Auto, we'll see the URL aliases link here, and that's where we want to go. We want to click on the Bulk Update tab, and we'll check Content Paths. Those are the ones that we're updating, and we'll click Update. Okay, it says it generated 8 URL aliases, and if we exit out of this and refresh, we'll still see that this says node/11. Now the reason for that is that this URL still exists, and the new URL that we created is simply an alias. Now eventually, we'll probably want to install the global redirect module, which will redirect any old aliases to the newest alias. And so if we got to this node/11 page, it would do a 301 redirect to the alias page. If we want to make sure that we got an alias created, we can click on the View tab of this page, and you see how it took us to review/review canned unicorn meat.